You just got promoted. Congratulations. But let's be honest, nobody really trained you for leadership.
Yes, suddenly you're leading people, dealing with pressure, and you're thinking, am I even doing this right?
Exactly. So, what should you do in this situation? Today, we want to give you 3 tips. Number one, ask to work with a coach, not because there's something wrong with you, but because it shortens the learning curve. And most people don't do that. They really miss out on that and they try to figure out everything themselves and they struggle much longer than necessary. Adrian, what else?
Well, number two, read. And not just one book and think that you're done. Consistency is key. If you don't like reading, if that's not your thing, then watch TED Talks or listen to audiobooks and take one thing that you learned and start applying it right away because leadership is not common sense. It's a skill set. And just like any other skill, it can be developed, it can be upgraded. Otherwise, you're going to stay stuck in your old habits.
Absolutely. And number 3 is another big one. Learn from your team. This is where the mindset shift happens. You have to stop thinking that you have to demonstrate how smart you are and that you need to have all the answers. It is really about learning how to ask better questions.
Yes, be curious, listen, and pay attention. And instead of seeing yourself as the boss, because everybody knows who you are, see yourself as the coach. Because when you do that, people will start thinking for themselves. And when people think, performance improves.
So, in summary, number 1, ask for a coach. Number 2, educate yourself. And number 3, learn to ask better questions from a place of curiosity rather than judgment. This was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.